Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tomorrow I should celebrate Eid or I should fast. On the 29th of Ramadan, we all face this question. The better way to transform this question into tomorrow, is it first day of month of Shawwal or not? The solution to this question is provided in this video clip. In order to completely understand the solution, we must understand few basic rules of thumb. In Sharia laws, few responsibilities are of Maraja Taqleed and few are public's responsibility. For example, is it forbidden or haram to drink alcohol? It is Maraja Taqleed's responsibility to provide Sharia reply of this question. And all Maraja Taqleed reply that it is forbidden or haram to drink alcohol. Now the next question is it alcohol present in this glass? Now it is a common man's responsibility to get the answer of this question, not the responsibility of Marja Taqleed. Marja Taqleed's responsibility is to provide ruling. Common man's responsibility is to find out things and applications related to that ruling. Question: what are the ways to know about new Islamic month? Now it is Marja Taqleed's responsibility to inform about these ways. But to know the answer that whether new Islamic month is starting tomorrow or not, or tomorrow is it Eid day or not, it's public's responsibility to find out the answer of this question by using the ways given by Marja Taqleed in the light of Quran and Hadith Ma'soom alayhimussalam. Now let's see these Islamic ways that serve as proof of moon sighting. Number 1. You have sighted the moon yourself. The testimony of two men of impeccable character called as Adil. Number 3. Athna Ashri, religious ruler, announces that tomorrow it is Eid day, or the news of the birth of the moon becomes commonplace that you become sure and satisfied of its sighting. To get this certainty and satisfaction, there are several ways. Common knowledge that the moon has been sighted. Marja Taqleed's office or moon sighting committee situated in your city's same horizon has made the arrangement of moon sighting and announced. Scientists provide evidence that birth of moon in your horizon and you get satisfied with that evidence. Although Grand Ayatollah Sistani does not find scientific evidence sufficient enough for certainty, but other Grand Ayatollahs do. These were the few ways to find certainty and satisfaction. Sighting of moon is most important, so it is not sufficient to follow other cities of different horizons. Or one cannot follow false announcements without any efforts, arrangements and evidences being made of moon sighting specifically on the 29th day of Islamic month, like a common practice in countries like Saudi Arabia. So one must understand his or her Sharia responsibility and should follow any of the following ways. Sights the moon himself. Gets testimony of two impeccable or adil men. Gets Athna Ashri religious ruler announcement. Or gets certainty by an authentic means. Then his or her responsibility is to consider next day as Eid day and must not fast. But if do not find evidence by any of the described ways, then must consider next day as 30th of Ramadan and should fast. So in this video clip, we have understood that on the 29th of Ramadan, it is our own duty to find out the status of the next day. And to perform this duty, Marja Taqleed has guided us with easy and clear ways. All mu'mineen, by following these rules, should make reliable arrangements in their own city for moon sighting if it does not already exist. We pray to Allah that we get successful in following the right path in this matter, in all the other matters as well, because this is the only way to find success in the world and the hereafter.